I'm going to show you how to make money just by clicking buttons and links. Thousands of people are using the internet to make money online just by clicking buttons and links. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $130 US just by clicking buttons and links. So all you need to do is go to people. Alright, so before I show you the website, I want to show you real proof that this website actually works. So I'm going to show you hundreds of people who will make money just by clicking buttons and links. So check this out. On this page you can see tons of people who make money just by clicking links and buttons. Alright, listen what this lady say right here. This lady I use the same website and it allow her to make money just by clicking buttons and links. She made $24 US. Today she made $24 US. And listen what she has to say.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to share my experience with you. Yesterday I received my first withdrawal from Bid.Ear, and this is my dashboard. Payment requests. As you can see, $24 paid. Yes, Bid.Ear is really paid. I can't believe it. I recommend it to everyone to make extra money in free time. And this is my payment proof in my PayPal account. If you would like to join Bid.Ear, you can find my link in video description.
Yes, as what me say, that I one of the person who I use this to make money just by clicking button and link. And if you're interested, you can get started for free just by clicking the link below this video. When you click the link below this video, it will give you free access, and it will also allow you to earn 50 cents in your account as you sign up for free just by using this link. As you can see, you scroll down, more person are earn money. You scroll down, more person are earn money. You can play all the video. You scroll down, more person are earn money. Scroll down, more person are earn money. Scroll down, more person are earn money. As you can see, how long is the list? Thousands of people are using it to make money just by clicking buttons and links. And I'm going to show you how the website works. This is my account. So to get your account, click the link in the description of this video. When you click the link, register for free. Confirm your account by checking the email after registering. When you confirm your account, you are going to see 50 cents. You're going to see 50 cents right here for you for free just by using the link in the description. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first way to earn money with this program. All you need to do is click right here. Yes, the first thing you need to do is click right here. Task 1. When you click on that, you're gonna see a list of buttons that allow you to click on. Yeah, a list of tasks that you can click on and allow you to make money. This is the first way to make money. This program allows you to make money several ways. I'm going to show you how you go about making money. So you can just click this and earn 72 cents. You see, if you sign up, you can sign up right here. And when you sign up right here, you can win $150 food gift card just by using an email to sign up right here. So there's a lot of ways for you to make money on the website just by clicking buttons and links. So all you have to do is click, and the money then just like a load in your account right here. You just see the money load in. All you have to do is click, so on and so on. And if you win a gift card, all you have to do is just click right here on them here, and you win gift card. The second way, as you can see, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, more task 4, task 5, task 6, task 7, task 8. You understand? More offer. You can do survey. You understand? More offer right here. Tons of ways for you to make money. You understand? So if you're interested in making money by clicking button and links, click the link in the description. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. Okay? Yes, this website allows you to make money just by clicking buttons and links. As you can see, I'm going to go to task 2 to show you there's a lot of ways for you to make money with this website. So if you're interested in making $130 US, yes, all you need to do is click the link in the description and get started with this website. By using the link in the description, when you get signed up, you're going to see 50 cents in your account for free just by using the link in the description. And this is task 2. I'm on task 2 at the moment. And when the page loads, you're going to see a bunch of tasks right here for you to just click on and earn cent, and all those cents culminate to money, to big money, simply just by clicking buttons and links. Okay? And the next way for you to earn money is share this. So by sharing this, yes, and the next way to earn money with this website is to share this website on social media. For every 1,000 clicks, you earn $3. So, and every referral you bring to this, you earn 10 cents. So you can just share this to all the social media website it recommends you to share it to, and you can earn more money by accumulate your cents to $1 and $2 and $5 and so on and so on. As you can see, all of these tasks allow you to make money, and all you got to do is just click the link in the description and get started. Make money just by clicking buttons and links. Okay? So if you're interested, click the link in the description and get started. Okay? Have a nice day.